What is a participle? Remember in our last lesson where we discussed the type of word called gerunds? Participles are like gerunds. They are also a type of verbals that are based on verbs but function in a sentence not as a verb. Participles are the words that I find the trickiest, but when I finally understood well, becomes my most helpful tool for writing my ideas more clearly. We've learned that in English grammar, a verb is not forever a verb. We've seen how a verb could act as a noun, which is called gerund. Verbs could also act as an adjective, called participle, which we will discuss today. How verbs are written in a sentence determines the verb's real role. Observe the following words. Dancing, fitted, forgotten. Without using them in a sentence, we could say that they are verbs. The only way that could make them a participle is when they are paired with nouns. Because participles are adjectives, and adjectives always point to a noun. Here are the examples of participles used in a sentence. I saw a dancing lady. She wears a fitted dress. And she speaks forgotten words. Dancing, fitted, and forgotten are all participles. They describe the nouns lady, dress, and words. Look at the following sentences and try to spot all the participles. Remember, any word, even if it looks like a verb, as long as it describes a noun, is a participle. The man saw a reflected image. If you think reflected is the participle, you're right. Reflected is a word based from verbs, but points to the noun, image, which makes it a participle. Now try the following sentences. I haven't seen floating vases that fine. The painted crabs are approaching. The crowned stork gobbled the poor frogs. Because you know the difference between a participle and a verb, here's what you can try. Think and write 3 action verbs. Make sure that these verbs end with an ing or ed. After listing down your actions, use them in a sentence as a participle. For more free grammar lessons, visit grammarhobby.com.